Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually turn off your profile pin on Disney+. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is actually log inside your account and go down to your browser. Now from here we go down to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now what we won't do is actually go down to the app settings or the account, but we go to edit profiles. Now here in the edit profiles, as you can see, we have a lock on our profile. Simply press it, enter your profile pin, press enter, and from here it will take us to the profile settings. Now from here we scroll down till we find the parental controls and we want to select the last option. Now as you can see, our pin is set to 0000, but what we actually want to do, if we want to turn off our profile pin, simply press this option, limit access to this profile, and save the option, and that should be it. Now your profile is not anymore selected with a pin, and that should be it. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.